Things about storage drawers that just make sense. These Rousseau drawers are super versatile, durable, and high-quality storage solutions that can be configured to meet your specific requirements. There are different dimensions in modular drawers, different dividers for organizing parts and tools, and a wide variety of different drawer accessories. Here are great examples of organized CNC tools in our machine shop. These adaptable solutions can grow as your needs change. Additional cabinets, workstations, and drawers can be added on or reconfigured to be able to meet your facility's needs. Find out more on our website, bodequipment.com.